Hello everyone, this is Cindy from Jevons Property Management. I'm presenting to you 303 South 2nd Street, number 2. As you can see, it is close to downtown, right across the street from American Red Cross. Down that road is downtown, where you have a lot of restaurants. Another clinic close by is Yakima Neighborhood Health. Go ahead and cross the street to go into the unit so I can show you this great property. It is a studio with 1 bathroom, lots of storage space, as you will see. You will have a lot of trees around you, a lot of shade. I'm just going to show you around a little bit. If you are familiar with Yakima, it's right close to the Yakima Municipal Courts, which is right in that little corner over there. It is 303 South 2nd Street in Yakima. You can see the grass is getting watered as we speak. Nicely green. .303 South 2nd Street, Unit 2 with Jevons. There are some stairs to go up to the unit. You have hardwood floors. This unit does not have any carpet. Here's your main living area. It's nice and spacious. There's a kitchen, which we will go here in a minute. Has nice big windows. The main door. We're going to proceed to the kitchen. As you can see, there's a window there too, nicely big window. Plug in. There are large cabinets around the kitchen, great for storage. There's a fridge and stove. That door leads you to outside, which we will go now. Right out here is a little room where you can relax at some days. Use it for any plants, indoor plants. give you another glance at the kitchen. This door here leads you to the outside. This would be your backyard, which is beautifully done with flowers all over. It's beautiful, nice hot summer day. Now we'll go back inside so I can show you the rest of the unit. That over there would be your neighbor. This is the little steps I was telling you it would be great for indoor plants or just a chair to relax. Kitchen once again. Hardwood floors look really nice, easy to clean up. This right here can be used for storage or maybe your entertainment center. There's no curtain rod, so you wouldn't be able to hang anything on there. But I'm sure you can fit in a nice entertainment center there. I will now walk you through the bathroom. Now the bathroom has a little bit of a storage location with a dresser, a desk that could be used as a vanity. Now the bathroom has a shower and a bathtub. Little window there for ventilation. Once again, I'm going to show you the little, I guess you can call it a little closet. This is great for clothes, your vanity. That way you don't have to bring in dressers. You have a lot of storage around here. I'll show you how big these closets are. Yeah, and they're pretty deep in there. There's a lot of depth. I was showing you. Here's another glance from this side of the living area. Bathroom. Now this little room here, it's not, there is a curtain rod, but let me turn on my light so you can see better. Sorry, I apologize, there's not much, it's pretty dark in there, but there are, seems to be little, looks like a walking step, a big walking step. could be used for storage. And there is a current line in this one, so you can just store in your winter coats, any clothes, any furniture, small furniture anyway, that you won't be needing. But then it's there for easy access. It counts with baseboard heaters. There's one in the bathroom as well. I apologize for not showing it to you. A little blurry there, now it's better. Now in here is another closet. As I said before, there's a lot of storage in this unit. This one is quite spacious. Doesn't look big from here, but it's pretty long. There's a curtain rod, and you can also place some items on there. That is a shelf. Sorry, I apologize. I don't have any light on my phone at the moment, but it is pretty long. It's not just this wide, it actually goes to the end of this corner. So right there is how long that closet is. There's quite a few plugins all over the unit. There was one there, there's one over here. If you decide to do cable, you already have a little box set up there for you. You can always come by the office to get more information about this unit. Remember, it's Jevons Property Management. You can just go online as well, jevonsproperties.com. If you have any questions, you can also call our call center at 509-314-4477. It is 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can answer any question you would have, or you can just stop by our office at jevonsproperties.com.